Hi everyone, my name is Sveta. I'm a singer and writer from Belarus and I'm really good at being happy. In today's video, I'll show you how to hack your brain and be a procrastination assassin. We will be using the template I've provided linked in the description. By the way, if you haven't watched my first video, which is an introduction, and didn't get the first happiness hack, I'll link it in the bio. I gave you a recipe that will help you save at least $1.5 grand in 10 months. Okay. Today we're doing our second happiness exercise and it's called Procrastination Assassin. I can barely pronounce it. Here's how it goes. Sit down and think about something you have been putting off doing for a long time, like cleaning up, organizing the closet, calling a friend, or starting a new channel somewhere like I do here. Go and do it today. It can be tiny, it can be big, it can be medium, whatever. Remember how the accomplishment feels. That's the goal here. And this is the first brick you are laying down towards a big house of your happiness. What am I doing for my exercise? Well, my phone has been sending me messages here running out of space all the time. So today, I'm deleting unnecessary stuff from my phone. I'm transferring videos to my desktop and backing them up on the cloud. And then I have space. I'm turning it into a little thing that I'm going to talk about later. And before I show you how I'm going to journal the Procrastination Assassin exercise, I'm going to give you a checklist. It's goal, steps, party, reward. So the goal is you think about what the end goal is. My phone will have storage, I will make more videos, and I will make Belarus more visible. Steps is the second thing. Think about the steps. So I take my phone, I turn on the desktop, I copy the necessary files, I delete the unnecessary files, and I back up the necessary files into the cloud and on the desktop. Breaking it down makes it seem less overwhelming because turning on the desktop is easier than the big task. Let me know in the comments what the steps are that you will be taking. The next 3 step is party. I'm gonna make a mocktail. I'm gonna turn on the music. I'm gonna put on some lighting that is fun and make it an atmosphere that I'm like at a party with friends. And number 4 is reward. I'm gonna go and buy me a luxurious body lotion that is like $1. So if you decide to journal, there are 3 ways to do this exercise. You can do Google Docs, you can write down on paper, or you can do a phone recorder. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you the fastest way to do this, and it's to record your exercise on the voice recorder. We are glued to our phones all the time, so that's what I'm going to do. The first question in the journal is, what have I been putting off? I've been putting off cleaning my videos off of my phone. And I'm recording TikTok videos, song ideas, book ideas, and my phone keeps warning me it's running out of space and slowing everything down, and it impacts my efficiency on a daily basis, and it's horrible. Why have I been putting it off? Because it's boring, it's time consuming, and it's easy to procrastinate on. Every time I need to post a video, I just delete the old one and open space for one more. And my phone still lags and it just makes everything super slow. What would completing the task mean for me? My experience recording videos will be faster and stress-free for YouTube and TikTok and Instagram. I'd feel more productive and I won't be be overwhelmed and stressed and feel like it's horrible all the time. And I can play with my children more, and I can go out more, and I can look at the trees and the flowers, you know. How would it make me feel? I would feel accomplished, organized. I would feel ready. If I want to film a video, I can just pick up my phone and film it. I don't have to stress out. And I won't be fighting with my phone storage all the time. What small step can I take today? So the steps that I'm taking is turn on my desktop, connect the charger, transfer the files from my phone, and free up the space. Yeah, sounds easy, but I haven't done it in like 6 months. What will I reward myself with? I'm going to a nice little place with body stuff, and I'm gonna get a lotion. It's like a small indulgence that I'm very broke now, so like it's gonna be a big deal for me. I'm gonna get a huge one. How can I break this task into smaller steps? So yeah, the steps is turn on the desktop, connect my phone to it, copy files into the desktop folder, delete unnecessary files from my phone, and that's it. Okay, so I journaled. There we are. Now it's your turn. Do something that gives you the same feeling of accomplishment. And when you're done, share in the comments what you did. You can get the template for journaling in the video. You don't have to journal if you don't want to. That is your experience. You can just go and do the thing and get your reward. And also there's a small checklist in bio for screenshotting. If you don't want to do something next time, if you're procrastinating, just pick it up and remember that you can turn it into a party. You can turn it into something fun. As always, love you. Let's hack our brain to get happy and stay happy together. Have a great, awesome day.